Construction cars are playing ball on the lawn. Baby tractor wants to play too. But it kicks the ball straight into the mud. Don't be sad, kid. Mud can be washed away. So what do we need to wash the cars? That's right, a car wash. Should we build a car wash? All right, cars. Let's get to it. Look here. We have all the parts. Now the cars need to put them in their places. First, let's assemble the frame. Now we need brushes. Okay. Like this. And now, we need pipes to supply foam and water. Well done, tractor. Here are the pipes. Now we need to put them in their places. The cars are doing a great job. They work together, helping each other. And what is this, little truck? Ah, yes, this is a fan that will blow and dry the cars. Okay. The car wash is ready. It has a barrier gate, a shower where the foam comes from, brushes, a shower with water that washes off the foam, and a fan to dry the cars. And now, let's have a wash. Don't push, and watch the lights. Well, who is going to be first? Look, it turns out the excavator is ticklish. Wow, you are so clean now. Don't be shy, tractor. Now it's your turn. Oh, whoa! The fan raises the tractor up. Oh, you decided to fly?
Hello.
Who is next? Is it you, Crane? Go ahead. Oh, Crane, what a great mustache and beard you have. I hardly recognize you. Well, now the crane is sparkly clean. Hold on, truck. Wait for the green light. What is it, little truck? Oh, you can't move. Oh, I see. You have a full body of water. Tip your body and dump the water out. All done, truck. Now you're clean and shiny too. Construction cars, you did great. Today you built an amazing car wash. And the tractor even did some flying.